Enter T.code.ZSD_VIP_claim. Enter any of the details such as company code, chassis, date, segment, etc. Click Execute. CSM to approve by selecting the checkbox CSM_sales. Finance team to approve by selecting Tick Finance. Name will be captured against the click. Once approved, document will be posted by executing this button. Click Post in FI System. To check posted FI documents, select Posted FI Documents. Click Execute. The scroll bar is used to display the desired screen area. Drop on. Click Back.